Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech Powerplay mousepad system. This innovative technology provides continuous wireless power to your compatible gaming mouse, eliminating the need for charging cables or docks. It ensures your mouse is always ready for action, whether you are actively gaming or simply taking a break. The Powerplay system connects to your computer using just one USB cable, simplifying your setup. One of Powerplay's standout features is its ability to create an energy field, continuously charging your mouse anywhere on the pad. You also get two distinct mouse surfaces, a soft cloth pad and a firm hard pad, allowing you to choose your preferred gaming feel. Plus, the Powerplay base acts as a light-speed wireless receiver, freeing up a USB port on your computer. Before diving in, it's important to note that Powerplay only works with specific Logitech G mice, which are purchased separately. The system represents a significant investment, typically costing around $100. Also, consider your desk space. The pad itself measures approximately 13 inches by 13 inches, so ensure you have enough room for optimal use. So, is Powerplay the right choice for you? If you're a gamer who values seamless, uninterrupted wireless performance and wants to eliminate battery concerns, then absolutely. It offers unparalleled convenience by keeping your mouse charged constantly. If you already own or plan to invest in compatible Logitech G peripherals, Powerplay is a fantastic addition to your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.